It's Marsha and welcome back to the vlog. Say hi. Hi. So we're going to the supermarket. It's Mother's Day today. So happy Mother's Day to all the mothers.
Mommy. I want to go back too.
Anyway guys, my phone battery is low. I don't know how much I'm gonna get today, but we'll see. Hi guys, so welcome back to the vlog. Well, I started this vlog on Sunday, and the last time I spoke to the vlog was Sunday. Oh, say hi, Ari.
Hi.
Okay, so last time I checked in was Sunday, and I was on my way to the supermarket, but my battery died and I didn't get to film anything else. And today is Wednesday. Right now I'm on my way to go pick up a package from Shipwise. I'm running late. It's, what time is it? It's 18 minutes after 2 and they close at 3 o'clock, so I'll get there on time, but I'm like really, you know, on the edge. So anyway, I'm gonna drive off now, and I need to use the AC because it's very hot. So I think I might just show you guys some of the scenery and stuff as we go along, and yeah, I'll talk to you when I get there. Okay guys, so we're here now, and why is my brush going? Yeah, we're here now. We're gonna go inside. We got here pretty quickly. It's just 3:33 and I left at, no, not 3:33, 2:33 and I left at 2:18, so that's, yeah, not long, less than 20 minutes. So we're going to go inside now. Make sure I have my card. Okay, I put on your mask because we are going in. So I was observing the road as I was driving here, and there seems to be quite a lot of traffic. I know that the Prime Minister kind of relaxed some of the rules as it relates to the quarantine or to the whatever social distancing and stuff. So I think churches are allowed to hold services again. with social distancing. And I didn't watch a press conference. I don't know what else he said. But I know that the curfew hours have been extended. So instead of from what was it before, 6 p.m, yeah, from 6 p.m to 6 a.m, it's now from 9 p.m to 5 a.m, I think. So there's definitely a lot more activity on the road, and there's a lot more traffic and people and stuff. So things seem to be kind of getting back to normal. I hope I don't jinx it, and I hope was so funny. I hope I'm not jinxing the situation, and I hope like this doesn't cause like the virus to get out of control or whatever. But let's see how it goes. So I'm gonna go inside now, guys. So I'll talk to you when I get back. So guys, I wanted to show y'all my mask. My sister-in-law made this, and she's making and selling them, as well as the one that was in my previous video. A friend of mine made that one. She's on Instagram as Tash and One, or Dan Tash Design and Rentals. She has so many accounts, I don't even know. But if you're in Jamaica and you're interested in purchasing masks, I can hook you up. So yeah, just leave a comment or send me a message. And by the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, please go and follow me now. My handle is Marsha's Journey. Okay. Oh god, this is going to mess up my makeup.
If there's so the guys could see around. I want them to see the beautiful flowers over there.
Okay. So I got the package, guys. This package it's nothing that I ordered. It's a package that a brand sent to me. So these products are actually products that have not been released as yet. So I'm gonna be doing a review and stuff for them, and so I don't know if I can share. I'm gonna share, but I'm gonna share what's in the package, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave it in the video, because I might have to delete it, because I don't know if I have permission to share these products as it, because they have not been released. So these are pre-release products. I'm getting to try them before they are actually launched by the company. It's quite a lot. The brand is actually Mixed Chicks. So if you're in the natural hair space, if you have natural hair, you should have heard about these. So first thing in the box is this, which is their hair for days. Hair for days. They have a volumizer. What's this? Leave-in spray, dry shampoo, hair perfume. That's interesting. Calming cream. So I'm not sure. I think this might be the new line. I'm not sure. I have to look at their website to see, but usually their products are not this color. So, and then they also sent me so this is in another package. So this has the curl sculptor, the daily hair dress, styling tamer, co-wash, styling cream, styling gel, and Yeah, that's that. So this is more like a kind of like a wash and go package. This more sounds like some kind of setting style because it has a mousse. It has a leave-in spray, which I'm assuming is light, so it can be used for hair, for like lighter styles, so like perm rod sets and flexi rod sets and stuff. And then it has a volumizer, dry shampoo, calming cream. Okay, I think I saw a mousse. Oh no, volumizer. Okay, and then this is like the classic mixed chicks that I know about. So this is the this package looks like the wash day package. So this has the deep conditioner, shampoo, this looks like a serum, and the leave-in conditioner. So wash, this looks like wash style. Oh, I get it. So it's wash, style, and maintain. So thank you Mixed Chicks for this package. Thank you so much, guys. Your girl is like an official like influencer getting packages and stuff. So guys, if you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me there. I post a lot of hair related stuff, tips and all of that. So yeah, and more than likely it's going to be an Instagram campaign that I'm doing. I don't know why your face look like that. You're looking like a saddy waddy. I don't want any saddy waddy in the car. Let me see the smiley wiley. If you don't smiley wiley, I'm not gonna be your friend. Okay guys, so that's it for my little package. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh, this bump, that is annoying. But this top is annoying. That's it for now, you guys. So I'm gonna head home. So guys, I stopped because I have some money to drop off to someone and I'm waiting for him to meet me. So what I'm doing right now, so nothing is really happening, guys. I'm just sitting and waiting. Well, we're just sitting and waiting, and Aria looks distressed as usual. I don't know why. Aria, why you look stressed out?
Don't want you to say what you said before.
What? Why are you pushing me?
You don't want me to feel anything.
Guys, alright, excuse me. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wait, so I'll check back in with you guys later. Cover it back up. You're lost, man. Why you drive? I mean, I want silver tea though.
Okay. My Corona. They're at the gas station at the morning.
Okay, alright.
Oh, yeah.
This little will let my baby brother feel comfortable. This mask is
Oh, I'm going close.
close to what? Close to what?
Close to something that was behind me. Okay guys, so he finally came, so now I think I'm gonna head home. Guys, I'm so like hyped. about this package from Mixed Chicks. Like, there is so much stuff in it. But the stoplight an hour. Oh my God.
To you. Mommy,
Hmm?
up to you. You have to be a police officer.
No. They need a police officer needs to come there to fix it, to direct the traffic until the light is fixed. So guys, I had to turn back on the camera because Arya just made me laugh just now. So she was asking me if her name is going to be Arya for the rest of her life. So I was like, yes. So,
Mommy.
so why did you ask if it's going to be your name for the rest of your life, Ari?
Because I want to have a grown-up name. Soon I'm going to be a grown-up.
But what is a grown-up name? What do you think a grown-up name is?
Masali.
No. Why do you think my name is a grown-up name and your name isn't a grown-up name? I was thinking that you're thinking grown-up names are like Pansy or Pat. Like when I was little, I used to think the same thing. I used to be like, okay, when I grow up, my name is going to sound strange because it doesn't sound like the names of the adults that I knew. Like all the adults were like Pat and Paul and George and Pansy and Daphne. So like,
I want my name to be Daphne.
no,
Auntie Daphne.
no. Oh my God. Your name is Ari, okay? By the time you become a grown up, like your name will sound like a grown up name to kids, because I'm sure kids are gonna be having some other kind of names. Hey guys, that's so funny, so I thought I would share. Okay guys, so we are finally back home and this is where I'm gonna end the vlog for today.
But I don't want to end the vlog. I want to go
Ariana,
video.
can you let me talk?
No!
Oh my gosh.
Let me that phone. Where's that phone?
Anyway guys, that's it for today. We'll see what happens for the rest of the week, but
Mommy.
I think what I'm going to do is just compile all the footage from the week into a weekly vlog,
Mommy.
and upload that every Saturday.
Mommy.
That's what I'm gonna do, because because I don't think I'm getting enough footage to do like more than one vlog a week, especially now that we're still kind of in quarantine mode. So guys, I'll see you in the next
Mommy,
clip.
wait,
Bye.
don't end the video yet.
What?
Let Mr. Combs say bye. Bye bye.
Oh my gosh. Okay, bye Mr. Cole.